How's it going, guys? Today I want to do a little tear down of this Dell optiplex. You look at the power button and it'll tell you what version that you have. This is a GX270. You have a couple of buttons on the side, on each side. You just press them in and the lid will lift right up. We'll spin it around. Whenever you have it open, you'll see your disk drive, your floppy drive, and your hard drive. You'll start removing your cables. Everything pretty much just has one place where they can go. On the back of the board you'll have three. Just grab the tab. They slide right out. And this blue one has a little handle on it. You just pull on it. Alright. If you're having problems with them kind of sticking, if you'll just work back and forth like this, they'll pop right out. Okay, then when we remove the power supply, and this one you just push forward on it with the back facing you, shove forward, you'll hear a snap, and then it'll lift right out. The board has a little tab on the back, and right up underneath the tab is this Phillips screw. Be sitting right in there. Remove that. Take the handle and lift up on it, and whenever you lift up on it, pull backwards and the board will pop right loose. On the board itself, you'll have these little metal brackets in there holding the board to the backing plate. You take your thumbs at the back of it and shove forward. Just push on the board. If it's a little stiff, you can take your little screwdriver and turn it sideways and just work your board forward, and then the board will lift right out. You'll have to pull forward on the mounting plate a little bit